Hi guys! Gusto niyo bang mag-staycation on a budget? Yung mala private resort feels pero kaya kahit 2 persons lang? For as low as 2,500 pesos, makakapagbakasyon ka na sa isang napakaganda at napaka-relaxing na lugar. We spent our weekend here at Casa Marisa Resort located in Lipa, Batangas. Halos 1 to 1.5 hours lang ang biyahe galing Laguna. 2 hours siguro if you're from Manila and pwedeng-pwede rin siyang puntahan ng nakamotor. Ito yung dinaanan namin guys at hindi mo talaga akalain na may nagtatago palang magandang resort dito. Meron silang malaking parking area at napakagandang facade. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, this resort is just the right size for me. Not too big but not too small either. Kaya tara, mag-tour na tayo. Unahin na natin ang rooms. So, meron silang 3 klase ng rooms, guys. For 2 persons, this room is perfect already. For only 2,500, may queen-size bed ka na, may magandang CR, na may water heater, may TV and coffee amenities pa. Ito naman yung second biggest room. Good for 3 to 4 persons siya at meron siyang double deck bed. Ang cute, diba? For only 4,000 pesos, may enjoy mo na ang buong resort. Maganda, malinis, at may water heater na rin. Last but not the least, this is their biggest room. Good for 6 persons lang talaga siya guys, but I think it can fit up to 8 persons pa. For 7,000 pesos, you get to enjoy a bigger room with a living area. And syempre, a bigger space na rin for your beds. May ref na din dito guys, sink, and of course may coffee amenities din. At ito naman guys yung view sa taas ng room. Sobrang ganda, diba? Dahil madami kami, kumuha kami ng 3 kwarto para sa aming lahat. Pero hindi naman kasi lahat katulad namin na sobrang lalaki ng groups, diba? Kung 2 kayo or 4, you can just get a small room like the one I showed you. One thing that I really liked about this place, ito yung sliding doors nila. Doubles as a mirror kapag nasa labas kayo, making the view of the pool even bigger. Speaking of pool, grabe guys, ang ganda ng pool nila with just the right size and design. Mapapaswimming ka talaga all day and all night. As in literal, all night. I think malaking factor yung very accessible siya. Yung lalabas ka lang ng room tapos ando na agad yung pool, diretso swimming na. Pero wag naman sana yung nakapantulog kayo ha. This infinity pool is divided into 2 parts. So for kids and then for adults. And guys, sobrang ganda niya sa gabi because of the lights. Swimming yata kami hanggang 10 PM na ng gabi. Maligam-gam yung tubig kasi, kaya kahit nandito kami sa Lipa, kayang-kaya mong bumabad. Trivia guys ha, itong Lipa, sobrang lamig dito sa gabi. So ayun, at night, they have these fairy lights turned on and sobrang calm niya for me. Napaka-cozy ng vibes sa resort and ito, we really enjoyed staying at the garden area. In the morning, ganitong view naman yung makikita mo. If I'm not mistaken, the mountain is Mount Malarayat. Correct me na lang guys if I'm wrong ha. Sa umaga, balot na balot yung area ng fog, as in, sobrang ganda guys. For food naman guys, pwede magluto sa resort na to. Wala kasi silang restaurant, so kailangan ikaw mismo yung magpe-prepare ng food. May malaking kitchen sila na merong cooking utensils, may ref, may microwave, meron ding stove. So kailangan mo lang talaga magdala ng ingredients mo, tapos kailangan mo lang din magdala ng personal utensils like plates, spoon, fork, tsaka baso. Meron din silang ihawan kung gusto nyong mag-barbecue, pero nandun yun sa labas, dun sa second parking area nila. In our case, delivered food yung kinain namin. Accessible kasi ng Grab and Food Panda yung resort na to. So pwedeng magpa-deliver na lang kayo. Marami ding local restaurant nearby na handang magdala ng pagkain kung magpapa-deliver kayo, tulad na lang nitong dinner namin. Meron kaming ginataang tinola, masarap na kaldereta, inihaw na pusit na may konting sauce, lumpiang ubod, at syempre, Shanghai na unlimited. Char, hindi yan unlimited, madami lang talaga. Wala yata kaming ibang ginawa dito guys, kundi mag-swimming, kumain, mag-swimming ulit, kumain, uminom ng konti, mag-swimming ulit, at kumain guys. Walang sawang kain. Buti na lang nga sobrang accessible nitong shower areas tsaka toilets nila eh. O diba, napaka-perfect talaga. Itong resort guys, events place din pala siya ha. So, itong area na to, perfect to para sa tables and chairs, tapos lalagyan mo ng stage para sa program. Pero if you're going to ask me, perfect din itong place na to for corporate team buildings. Alam mo yon, itong area na to is where you can do your program. Siguro mga small talks, meron kayong games, tapos konting, alam mo yun, planning. Tapos may kanya-kanya kayong kubo. Kunyari magde-divide kayo into teams, tapos pagpaplanuhan nyo yung kalaban nyo. Joke. After that, you can always swim and stay in the garden for fellowship. Yung kunyari magigitara kayo, tas konting drinks. Oo nga pala guys, pet friendly din ang resort na to ha. Just make sure sure that your paw babies are always in their diapers. Ang ganda kasi nung garden nila, pwedeng tumakbo yung mga babies natin. Alam ko maraming available na resort, hotel, vacation place, both sa south and sa north. Pero kung gusto nyo ng maganda at affordable na place, ito guys, i-recommend kong puntahan nyo itong Casa Marisa Resort dito sa Lipa, Batangas. Mapapawish ka na lang na sana ganito lang kadali ang buhay, no? But for you to enjoy these luxuries in life, syempre kailangan natin magtrabaho. Kaya hanggang sa muli, thank you for watching guys and see you on my next video! Guys, may bago na naman akong game na ipapakilala sa inyo, ang Tala 488. So, meron dito, Boxing King. Ito lang siya. Napakadaming games dito, pero ito talaga yung nilalaro ko. So, ipa-play mo lang siya. Tapos, lalabas yung game. Wait lang. Continue. And then, play tayo. So, sobrang dali lang manalo dito, guys. Magbe-bet ka lang ng, sige, 100 tayo. Tapos, i-press lang natin yung tubo para mas mabilis maglaro. And then, tuloy-tuloy na siya. So, game. O, 80 pesos. Wala. 20 pesos. 30 pesos. 210 pesos! Oh my gosh! 2,000 nakita mo yun? Big win! So, ganun lang siya, guys. Kadali, manalo. O, diba? Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. 2,000 from 265. Tapos makakakuha ka pa ng mga cards. So, ibig sabihin, habang nag-bet ka, tumataas siya lalo. So, sobrang dali lang manalo dito. So, yan guys. Yung link para sa game na to ay nasa comment section lang. So, sign up lang kayo and then mag-cash in. Guys, reminder lang, please, extra money lang yung lalaroin nyo dito. And syempre, not for minors. So, mamimigay din nga pala ako ng GCash sa lahat na mag-register. Mamimili ako. Kaya, ang gagawin nyo lang, mag-register, mag-cash in, and then mag-comment kayo ng screenshot ng sign nyo. Yan. Good luck!